that?
Snow White.
This is.
Fun hearts up too. Guys, this is me, Michaela, and my sister,
Me, Yesha!
and today we're going to open our Christmas gift in 2021. Okay, guys, so first I'm going to open my gifts.
Yeah, she's
Start, guys.
And then I'm gonna want who's the first. Who's getting
This is from Tita and Tita Mitch and Nisha. And how do you pronounce his name?
Kian.
Kian.
Oh, you open it.
So give me this gift. I really am happy that you give us gifts on Christmas.
that? We are happy.
You're bossing me around.
See, show the name, show the name. What is it?
Oh my god.
This. Oh, did you book it?
No, I did not. I will never book it. It's shoes! Look at that, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look.
That's nice. Black shoes.
Can I try it on?
Yeah, you can
I
try
want
it.
to try it on. To see if it fits me. I hope it fits me because my feet is big. It's like my feet is actually bigger than me.
That's so pretty.
Nice.
It
It fits me. Guys, it's so pretty.
And then is that like
It's like a
flowers?
ribbon.
Next gift.
Okay,
Can
I'll
you
give
wear
you.
this while vlogging?
Yeah, you could wear that.
Nice.
Okay, then I'll cap this. I'll
Yeah,
cap this
cap.
one because he's not gonna use this. So next gift is
Yeah, this is given by my grandmother at the Monita.
From Mama Ellen.
Okay.
And actually, guys, this is so pretty. And then, do you know how many times I wear it? I wear it until the morning, until the night before sleep. I take it off and put it on the table.
And then this is to meet and then it's Merry Christmas.
It's from
Actually, I'm wondering what is that? Like,
Tita.
Tita,
This is from Tito Klong and Tita.
Tita Mitch and Tito Klong.
Because I can really read it so much more. Oh, it's so
Oh,
nice.
so cute.
Purple actually is my favorite
Purple.
color.
That's your favorite color, right?
purple.
yeah, and do you like also pink?
A little.
Okay.
It's cute.
Show up your shoes again. Like this? No, that like that. Yeah, that one. That you cross your legs. Yeah, like that.
No, it isn't. It has Daisy
Can I
Duck.
see too?
It has Daisy Duck.
Crazy?
Daisy Duck's sister over there.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice. So we're
Next gift.
moving on to Happy Making Classes. Wow.
No, just
The
like
big
picking a gift for
one.
me.
That's come from us. Yeah.
And actually, thank you, Tito Kong and Tita Mitch for the gift.
Oh, there's one more gift for her.
Let's. It's Kristoff! This is the second next boy doll we have.
Yeah, because she broke.
Puppet. It's a puppet.
You remember you broke
It's a
actually.
walrus.
You broke. You broke
Thank you,
one
Mama Jocelyn,
people.
Papa Michael, and Yesha.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. And Christoph. This is the second ex-boy doll, but I accidentally broke Ken's leg. For some reason. I was just wanting him to sit down and then he was like...
Like... Oh no.
Actually,
Stop.
long as puppet. I'm gonna play with Zippy.
Oh, next
Really
gift.
relax.
This is the last
It's
gift.
from...
Let me check.
No, it's not the last gift. Mama Ellen also have a gift from her. She already opened it last time eh. That one, the small one. Ate, the small gift.
This is
Bag.
from...
Mama and Papa. So, Mama Ellen and Papa dito.
Oh.
Miesha is the one who opened. Miesha was the one who opened her gift from Mama Ellen and Papa dito last time.
Yeah, naman ito.
Yeah.
Thank you for the gift, Mama and Papa Lito.
But I can't tell you because it's a surprise. It's actually really good.
It's nice, a towel.
Face towel.
Face towel.
And
Ribbons.
ribbons.
I really like ribbons that are black and then it says that.
Look, my teddy's so happy. Yay, I'm excited.
I'm here, Teddy.
Okay.
Pretty.
Let me check
I also kind of like this is dandelion, right?
Yeah.
I also like dandelion color. Like after purple and then aqua blue and then it's dandelion.
Oh, this is ultimate makeup. One more.
One more?
Yes.
It's from
Tita, Ninang Shane and Tito Adrian.
and Sophie.
Sophie? But why is it
Ellie.
Ellie?
Yeah.
But why is it Ellie? I know it's the name is Sophie, but why is it Ellie?
She has a second name.
Thank you, Tito Shane, Tito Andre, and Sophie for the gift.
That's
So I have socks to wear.
different socks.
What kind of socks is this?
It has a heart design, flower, and
smiley face.
smiley face.
It's emoji.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
So are you done with your gift, Miesha?
Yeah.
Michaela?
Yes. Thank you, Mama Ellen, for the gift and for being my monita. Thank you, Tito Shikara, for this gift.
Okay guys, so I already picked up the milk. So next to open this gift. I'm waiting. What is this?
Her voice is so funny. Julia knows how to read, but she has a hard time reading it. She only reads the subtitles of everything we watch. That is not English.
What's that?
Snow White.
This is Snow White, right?
That's Snow White.
Mm.
Okay, I see something.
Little Snow White.
Okay, I'll put this for
Actually, we have a Snow White. I think we have a Snow White.
Wait!
No,
We're almost
we
done!
don't.
We're almost complete!
We're almost completing because we already have Jasmine. So I don't really remember everything, but I think it's
I got
Jasmine,
Ariel!
Belle.
That's Ariel.
Going to put your trash in the trash bin, ma'am. Let me see who we have.
Can you just check my jacket?
Next gift.
Next gift. Okay, I was so busy reading.
Oh.
Pretty heavy, so
Actually, it's
your
like,
bones are weak.
Oh, it comes from
it comes from
Sorry about that.
Tito Ake, Tita Mitch, Ate Misha, and Kian.
Yes.
Kian,
Who's Kian? You forgot your cousin.
your younger cousin.
Oh,
I like playing with
we're gonna open this. So.
And here we go. She's having a hard time again.
Oh, what's this? Look at me.
Super mega art set.
Ooh.
Careful with your trash, Mom.
Can I open?
Later, you open that.
Actually, we've been busy drawing, or maybe she could.
Yeah, I was making like Stephanie's house, and then there's so much clothes of her that I was Okay.
Please don't make a mess and color the wall, please.
What are you going to say?
Thank you for this gift.
Tito,
Tito Ake and
Tita Mish,
Tita Mitch and
Ate Misha,
Misha and
Kian.
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 Okay, let me give you another gift. Ouch, my back.
Ooh, this is to me and then Mama Ellen.
And
And
Papa
And
Lito.
Papa Lito. Yes. Oh my god. I remember.
She has a scrunchie.
You remember
That's teal,
I
right?
think we come.
Tortoise.
She have an orange of this.
Turquoise?
Take another. You remember?
It's dandelion.
Dandelion and we have this.
Turquoise? That's
And then
turquoise.
we have
Blue-green.
I
like
She has a scrunchie, like a type of scrunchie. No, not really a scrunchie.
Oh, what are you going to
Thank
say?
you, Mama and Papa Lito, for this gift. This is my manita, Tita Angie. I actually
From
said-
Tita Angie.
From Tita Angie.
Andy from Toy Story.
And then
Andy.
I said to her that I wanted
Your wish list.
in my
Now, both of our wish list is jewelry.
yes. But look, it's a surprise. I'll take it out. It's a necklace, and then like I'll try it on. Okay.
How? You know how to put it? I learned how to do that when I was 7. You're just 6.
Oh, yes, it looks.
Looks nice. That will really match if
Can I wear this one with like
That will really be nice if your outfit
It's
was
pretty.
color
blue?
And
Blue?
it's your birthstone.
birthstone.
Yeah, it's amethyst. It's
Am-
color amethyst.
It's
Thank you,
really
Tita Angie, for my manita.
Yeah.
This is additionally from
Tita Angie.
Tita Angie and
Tito Yogi,
and
Kuya Johan, and Jana.
Okay, can I open it?
Ah, you can open it. It's a
What did you feel? It's just
It's a swimsuit.
yes.
you could wear that when we go swimming again.
You could wear that.
Open that.
And what are you going to
Actually,
say?
I'm gonna try this like this.
She always, when my mom is ironing clothes, she just gets like clothes that she is not yet ironing, and then she's gonna like, ooh, it's a gown. Even though it's mom's t-shirt, she says like, ooh, it's a gown. And then Papa's t-shirt, ooh, it's a gown. Watch out for part 2.